Hey kids, so we have already completed mitosis, right? Okay, and mitosis is called as equational division, right? Okay, and basically it was what? 1 2n forms two daughter cells with the same number of chromosome. Okay, so there are some numericals related to mitosis which we didn't integrate in our previous video, so I am making a fresh one for it. So simple question is that how many times a cell has to undergo mitosis to get 128 daughter cells. Okay, so how many times can you work out? So many people will give me answer 64 times or okay, but see, this is like this. Okay, one cell makes two cell, 2 will make 4, 4 will make 8, 16, 32, 64 and 128. So how many times did the mitosis happen? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So how many times? 7 times. Simple. In the same way, the question can be asked that if we have 6 times or 5 times division, okay, a cell undergoes mitotic division 5 times. So how many cells, how many daughter cells will we have? So count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 32 cells. Okay, so such basic questions can be asked. So prepare it well, do your best for your exams. See you.